Happy Sunday, y'all. Just came from church and I stepped out. Well, actually, I ended up spending this. All this was, well, not all this was 30, but the things I got that were actually from the grocery store was $30. But anyway, so what I went to get is my son's chopped ham. I normally get the turkey, but I hadn't been to Sam's and I hadn't done a pickup, so I went ahead and got this. Y'all remember back in the day, this stuff used to be like $1.99 or whatever. This was $4 and something. And I've been looking for the blue plate sandwich spread and I can't find it. But I like to take this with the Kraft cheese, a slice of this with some blue plate sandwich spread. That is a whole good sandwich. But I hadn't found the blue plate sandwich spread. They said that, and I went online to research, and they said that they hadn't been able to get all the ingredients, so they hadn't been able to actually make it. So I don't like Kraft. I like blue plate. One of my friends called me. She said, I had a taste for your tuna fish. I was like, huh? I ain't made tuna fish in it's been decades. And she was like, well, wow. I remember it was good. But you know what? I used blue plate sandwich spread. And y'all, I stopped eating tuna that time. Y'all remember way back in the day when they had that thing going around where they was putting cat food in tuna cans? And ever since then, I just can't bring myself to eat it. Oh God, when they get blue plate sandwich spread back, I'm gonna try though, because I used to love me some tuna fish sandwiches with that blue plate sandwich spread and some Lay's chips. What? And some red Kool-Aid back in the day as a kid. But anyway, I got these lemons, y'all. Lemons had gotten as high as $5, but these now were actually $3.97, so they're going in the right direction. Okay, then I got me this thing of I like the Swagger. This the free mild preservative free sausage. I take that and use that instead of the Italian sausage, and I got this hot roll mix because that's my pizza crust. Y'all, the last Pizza Hut pizza, and Pizza Hut is my favorite pizza. I haven't had Marco's, but the last one I got, it was very underwhelming. It's like the crust was not they're not using the same ingredients. Maybe they can't get them. I don't know, because a lot of people are saying that, but it was really horrible to me. I couldn't even eat a whole piece, and it was free because I had been okay. Anyway, I didn't like it. Anyway, y'all, if y'all get a chance to try these Down Home brand sausage, they are a little spicy, but I had gotten these because they were on sale. They're $5.97, but I had gotten some when I did that gumbo. I did my first gumbo of the year. And y'all, they are a little hot with red pepper flakes. Excuse me, but they're good. And so I think I'm going to take these and Manda and I'm going to do some beans this week. Because my intent was to start doing beans one day a week, in which that means we'll eat it for 2 days, or either I have some for lunch. But all the literature I'm reading about getting health and everything, they tell you to eat a lot of beans. And so one lady was saying, the man was saying that when initially they'll make you gassy, you know, but then once you start eating them the way as much as you should, your body will actually get used to it and it'll subside. But I like beans anyway, and I am going to start incorporating them more into my diet. And my problem is I like beans, but I like mine with rice and cornbread. I'm just being honest. That's how I was raised, and it's so good like that. But anyway, so what I've learned is I still put rice, but I don't put a whole lot of rice. Like, I'll do less than 1/4 of a cup of rice. Honestly. And that fulfills that, you know, it's just baby steps, y'all, baby steps. But I did find the brown rice that cooked really well in the air fryer. When I find them, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show it to y'all. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all these items last that I had ordered, or either I got from Target. I got me some corn. One day this week, we're going to have the Chipotle bowl. And I think I'm going to actually just fire up my grill and put the corn on there and my chicken. I think I'm going to actually do that. Because I got a little small grill I got from Walmart. I paid like $25 or $30 for it. I put it on that. I got this baker's chocolate. I told my son that I was going to make him some brownies. Just a little thing, an 8x8 thing of brownies today. I bought the stuff last week. Here are my avocados to make my guac. And I bought a pack of guacamole thing. You put this. Well, anyway, I'll show it to y'all when I make it. I got me some more onions. Y'all, these onions have went up to almost $5. They're $2.47 a day. And I went ahead and got them. And I remember my great aunt, I used to take her to the store, and she told me, she said, if you're not cooking big meals, don't get those big onions. She said, because you're not going to use them all. And she said that they would, it's a certain way that you have to preserve onions once they're cut. So I didn't learn that though. Anyway, I got me some what you call it? Cucumbers. So tomorrow, I think for lunch, I'm just gonna have cucumbers, and I got some of those little smacking tomatoes. I love those. I got them. Told y'all. Okay, so y'all, I got this from. Remember I told y'all I did the video from that daily deal? I'm telling y'all, I don't get a lot of views, but when I come on, I be trying to put people on game about stuff that I use. And you know what? I realize that sometimes people gonna use your ideas and ain't gonna even tell you about it, but don't give you credit. But that's fine. The pastor said today, your blessing is yours, can't nobody take it. So y'all, what this is, it looks like a comb, don't it? But you know what this is? I'm gonna show y'all how I use it. What you do is, this how you pull apart, like if you have meat or whatever, this how you put, you use these two things together to fork the meat apart. And I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna do my, I got a pork roast I need to cook. So I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook that and make sandwiches and stuff out of it. Chia seeds, these are really good, healthy. You can, I've seen a lady, she put these in her milk or whatever, but what I want to do with mine is, I have to get another NutriBullet because mine went out, but I like to put this kind of stuff like this and flaxseed. I like to put it in my smoothies because really and truly, it doesn't have a taste. And if you're using your, like, I like strawberry, just a little pineapple because they're so sweet. But my blueberries and stuff like that, you really can't even taste this. Like avocado, they actually take on the flavor whatever you mix them with. Then I got this thing. This is also to handle meat while it's hot. It's Silicone Glove. I don't know. I'm just gonna. I'll discuss that later. Y'all, also, I got, I'm going to do that later, last. I was reading on ways to help your skin look vibrant and, you know, just supple. And they were saying use Aloe Vera Gel. And so I'm going to try it. And I got this thing from Sam's, y'all, wasn't but $4 and something. This thing, I had got a little small one online. I'm talking about real small. And I think I paid like $5 for that little thing. So I was glad to find this big one for $5. And I actually ordered another kind. They didn't have it in the store. It's going to be shipped to me. Well, no, this is the one that was shipped. I'm sorry. Oh, wait a minute. I got something I got to pick up from Target. I forgot. Oh, man. I'm going to have to go tomorrow because I extended it to tomorrow to pick it up. I forgot all about that. I could have gone today because it don't be that busy in there Sundays. Y'all, so I love the apple cider vinaigrette dressing at Chick-fil-A. And so I'm trying to do more salads or whatever. And so this actually what I want to use on my cucumbers and my not pickles, Lord have mercy. My cucumbers and my tomatoes. And they have the apple cider vinaigrette dressing. This is made from Target. Target brand. And you can see the stuff in the bottom of it. And so this is one. I unwrapped it. But this is how they come. I got 3 of them. And this is how they have them packaged. You know, to keep them from... Well, actually, they're plastic, though. So, I don't know if they did that maybe to keep them from... No, that ain't no plastic. That's glass. I'm sorry. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to try this. I'm just trying to find healthier ways, you know, to... Look, I'm from the South, so we used to everything being fried, smothered, and all that stuff. And I still want to eat that, but in moderation. But I'm trying to find things. Because one thing about me, if it's something healthy and I like it, I can stick to it. Like y'all know, I've been doing peanut butter. I'm sorry. I've been doing peanuts and apples now for a minute. And I like it. And it's filling. And I'll do watermelon like for lunch sometimes. So I'm finding ways, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I found a little quencher of my sweet tooth, and that's Jolly Rancher candies. The little sucker. I don't know. It's something about licking on that sucker. I don't know what it is. I don't know. But anyway, it's working for me. So I just want to show y'all what I got. And welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, any concerns, anything, you can give me advice on how to do better, especially healthy eating, healthy cooking, things like that. I like to discuss current events, life situations. Like I've discussed things like child support. I've discussed things like heart transplant, and some of those videos, actually, the ads were limited because it's controversial. But sometimes, you know what? The only way you can change things is to address them. Like just all kind of things. I'm gonna link it. Anyway, y'all, I'm rambling now. Much love, everybody. Be safe out there. Take care of yourself. Bye.